Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen. So first I'm going to show you my home screen, and I divided the pages by the things I like. So the first page was Pokemon, and the second page is Mario and Nintendo, the third page is Splatoon, and the last page is Sanrio. So now I'm going to show you what apps you need. So you're going to want to go to the App Store, and you're going to type in Widgetsmith. So you just click the search button and then type it in, and it should be the first one that shows up. So with this app you can customize calendars or weather and stuff like that. And the second app that you're going to need is Color Widgets, which should be right under it. So now you're going to open Widgetsmith, and as you can see there's three sizes. So the first one is small, and then there's medium and large. So we're gonna make a small one. So you're gonna press add small widget, and then you're gonna click on the template, and it gives you a couple ways to display the date and time. So there's like time and location, or just the clock, or you can just have the date and the month. And there's also a calendar option, and you can also change the font of the numbers and letters. And if you scroll all the way down to custom, you can actually add your own photo. So after you choose your picture, it should be a little preview, and then you click the back button and then you click save. Then you want to go back to your home screen and hold down on one of the apps and click edit home screen. Then you're going to press the big plus button at the top right of your screen. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Widgetsmith, or you can type it in the search bar. So now it gives you the option to pick your small, medium, or large design. Since we made a small one, we're going to go to the small and then press add widget. Then it should appear on your home screen. Now if you want to get rid of it, click the minus button. And also, if the wrong design shows up, you're going to press on the picture and select edit widget, and then you can choose the right one. You can have as many of these as you want on your home screen. So now that I showed you how to use this one, I'm going to show you how to use Color Widget. So what you want to do is open Color Widget, and there should be some templates already there if you want to use those. But if you want to edit a template, all you have to do is click on it. So you're going to press edit widget. So you have a lot of different options for customization. Just like Widgetsmith, you can add your own photo also. But the difference of this one is that you can add a photo to your date and time display. So you're going to want to choose your photo. And after you pick your picture, there should be a preview at the top, and it should be small, medium, and large. So I'm going to choose the medium one. Then you're going to save it and go back to your home screen. Then you're going to press down on a app and select edit home screen, and press the plus button again and type in Color Widget. Then you're going to select any size that you want, and then press add widget. Okay, so now you should see it on your home screen, and it displays the time, what day it is, and the battery power of your phone. So the last step is to customize your apps. So what you're going to do is go to your app library, which should be the last page, and you're going to want to type in shortcuts. And here are a couple that I already made. So to make your own, you press the plus button in the top right hand corner, then type in open app, and next to open you're going to click choose and scroll down to type in the app that you want. Then you're going to click the three dots to the right and name the shortcut the name of your app. Then you're going to select add to home screen. Then you're going to type in the name of your app again. Then to add a photo, you're going to click the icon next to your app's name, then select choose photo, and after you choose your photo you can resize and adjust it. Then after you're done, you click add and done. And when you go back to your home screen, it should be there. So if I scroll to the side, it's right there and it has the name of my app, and you can click directly on it, or you can just go to your app if you don't like going through the shortcuts. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you guys have as fun as I did customizing your phone. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and have a nice day. Bye everyone.